Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: String Buffer Input Stream class in Java IO Streams. So first of all, let us have a small revise. What are input-output streams in Java? So here, IO stands for input output. And what is stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in Java program. Flow of data from source to destination in Java program is known as stream. So basically we have two types of streams. First one, input stream. Second one, output stream. So what is input stream? So input stream is nothing but reading stream. So it is going to read the data from source. Generally the source is keyboard. So keyboard into Java program. And next, coming to output streams. Output streams are nothing but writing streams. So these writing streams will write the data from Java program to destination. And generally the destination is monitor or display. It will write the data onto the display. And to work with this input output streams in Java, we have different classes and its methods which are provided in java.io package. Right, so now coming to string buffer input stream. So first of all, string buffer input stream, this class is available in java.io package. And this class is used to read a string data as buffered source of input in Java program. So it will read a string data as buffered source of input. Okay, so what is this buffered source of input? We'll understand in detail when we write the program. So buffered source of input in Java program. So here we have one data member in this class, string buffer input stream class, and that data member is string buffer. So whatever the data we are reading from the string, that data will be available in this buffer temporarily. And from this buffer, we can use this in our program using different read methods. So here, coming to the string buffer input stream. So string buffer input stream is a subclass of input stream abstract class. So input stream abstract class is the top level class for all the input stream related classes like file input stream and string buffer input stream. So if we see the description of input stream class, which is a base class for all the input stream classes, and string buffer input stream. So first of all, let us see input stream class description. Open the command prompt, go to your working directory. So issue the command java p -p java.io.inputStream class. So in input stream class, we have read method, and then we have available method, we have close method. So these methods can be used in the subclass string buffer input stream. And then coming to string buffer input stream. So in string buffer input stream, we are going to read the data from a string. So that we are going to do it with this constructor, public string buffer input stream. For this constructor, we have to pass the string as a parameter. So whatever the data which is available in this string will be stored temporarily in this protected string buffer variable. It is a data member. It means all the data from string will be available in this buffer variable of type string. So that's why it is called as string buffer input stream. So at a time, it will read all the data, means temporarily it will store the data in this buffer variable of type string. And from this buffer variable, we are going to read the data in our program using read methods, available method, and we can close the string buffer input stream. So here, read method, it is used to read one byte of data from the string buffer, and then int available, how many bytes of data is available here, int available in the string buffer, and then we can close the string buffer input stream. And this is a constructor, public string buffer input stream, and for this constructor we have to pass the string data which need to be stored in our program string buffer variable. And this is a string buffer variable which is automatically created for string buffer input stream object. So whenever we create an object of string buffer input stream, automatically this data member is created and the data will be stored here, and from there we have to read that in our program using different read methods. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. String buffer input stream example1.java. So let us take a new page and first we'll write this comment. So program to read data from a string using string buffer input stream class. So take the main class with main method, string buffer input stream class example1.java. Save this program in our working directory. So save it as string buffer input stream example1.java. Right. So since we are using string buffer input stream, so first of all we have to define a string from where we have to read the data. So we'll take a string class object, ss is equals to new string class object, and the initial string will take it as something like hello students. Right. So this is the initial message which is available in the string, and this string we have to read it through string buffer input stream class. So next we'll take an object of string buffer input stream class sbis is equals to new string buffer input stream class, and for this constructor I'm going to pass ss. So what does ss contains? Hello student. So when we create the object of this class, all the data from ss will be available in string buffer data member. So this string buffer data member, all the data will be available here. ss data will be available automatically. So this is a temporary buffer variable which is created automatically for string buffer input stream class, and this data member is available by default inside string buffer input stream class, which is of type string. So hello students data is available in buffer. So now we are going to read the data now. So let us put this in try, because we are going to use read method, and read method will throw IO exception. So catch will take base class exception class, it can catch any type of exception, and if any exception occurs, display exception type and message by printing exception object reference variable. Right. So string data is available in buffer, and this is available in our memory. This variable automatically available for SBIS, string buffer input stream object. So now we have to read the data from this string buffer input stream into our variable. So for this we are going to use a read method. So we'll take a while loop. Right. Now inside this while loop condition, I'm going to read the data. String buffer input stream dot read. It will read 1 byte of data from the given string h. So let us store this in some variable. So let us say that variable is equals to something like ch. It is something like ch, and let us check it is not equals to -1. So -1 indicates end of a string. It is not equals to -1, right? So read the data and store that in ch. So we have to define that ch variable also. So let us take char ch, and then so initially read method will read the data as int data type, do the type conversion into char, and finally we'll say system dot out dot println ch. It will print character by character the data which is read from string buffer input stream. Hello students. Right. So let us save this program, open the command prompt and compile the program. Okay. Now since we are using string buffer input stream, we'll say import java.io.star. So required classes will be imported to our current program. Right. So compile the program, java c string buffer input stream class example1.java. Right. So we just got a warning. We can ignore that warning and then we can run this. Right. So here it is printing only one data, which is question mark. So let us try to say Control C. It is going into infinite loop and then change the data also here. Right. So in our program, directly taking char ch and storing the byte data as character format. So since we are storing that as character format, end of the string is not equals to -1. This will get into infinite loop. So what we'll do is, so since read method return type is integer, so we'll take int ch and then string buffer input stream dot read method. So it will read 1 byte of data from the string and returns that as integer. So that integer is available in ch and checking ch not equals to -1. So -1 indicates end of a string. And in that case, we'll print ch char of ch, convert that integer into character and print that as character data. Right. So save this and then recompile the program and run it. So we'll get it as hello students. Now if you want to get this in the same line, simple, we have to take a system.out.print. Right. So recompile the program and run it. Hello students. So here we'll also change some data here. Hello students. We'll take a new line plus string concatenation. We'll say here all the best, and we'll put one new line in the last also. Right. So save this program. Right. Recompile the program and run it. So hello students, new line, all the best, and then here also we are taking a new line. So here -1 indicates end of a string when we are reading 1 byte of data from the string buffer input stream and storing that in integer ch variable, and that integer ch variable is converted into char and printed using system.out.print. So this is how we are supposed to work with string buffer input stream in Java IO streams. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.